Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading My Friend Loonie by LaCour and Ashling Lindsay. Please enjoy. My Friend Mooney. It began on the day her parents came home with a surprise. A balloon that floated up and up all the way to the ceiling. "Hello, Looney," the little girl said. "Welcome to your home." Together they watched out the window as a squirrel nibbled on acorn and a family of finches pecked at seeds on the grass. With Looney's string around the girl's wrist, they bobbled out the door for a walk. "What a nice balloon," said their neighbor. "This is Looney," said the girl. She set a place for Looney at the dinner table. She made sure Looney saw all the pages of her bedtime story. At nights out, the girl tucked Mooney in, but Mooney wanted to stay up. "Well, okay," whispered the girl, "as long as you're very quiet. Good night, Mooney." Before school, she kissed Mooney goodbye. "Remember to watch Mooney," she told the dog. "Woof." After school, Mooney kept the girl company as she ate her snacks and did her worksheets. When the girl's favorite song came on, they danced together. "Nice moves, Mooney." "What should we do next?" asked the girl. "Oh, you want to see my garden?" Looney bobbled. "Sure, let's go." Looney, the little girl, watched as Looney grew smaller and smaller and smaller in the sky. Her parents held her close. "I miss Looney," the girl said. "We know," they told her. "Come garden with us." Together they pressed flower seeds into the soft dirt, and the girl was sad for a long time. From her spot at the window, the mornings were quiet and gray. Neighborhood walks felt lonely. Until one day, out in the garden, the little girl noticed something: a green stem and the green leaves, topped with the most beautiful blooms, the very same color as Looney. "Come see," she called out. Her parents smiled. The little girl smiled too. Looney was a good friend, the girl said, and her parents bobbled their heads, just like Mooney used to. The next morning she woke up with a glow in her heart. As she danced to her favorite song, she thought of Looney's moves and remembering made her own jumps bouncier. She checked the window for birds and squirrels and saw yellow in places she never noticed before. And when it was time for their walk, she stepped off the porch and discovered that the whole world was brighter. She made friend with a balloon. That was her good friend, a balloon. Did you ever have a balloon as a friend? Let me know with a thumbs up if you ever had a balloon as a friend. Just curious if you ever had a balloon as a friend. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading here. And if you did, can you give this video a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you can. If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading is over. Have a good one, and thanks for watching, everybody, and take care.